So here I have my Samsung Galaxy S10 FE edition, recently released, and I did buy this myself. But one of the most powerful features that Samsung have introduced over the last year or so in their devices is Circle to Search. And this is something I found myself using both on my phone and now on this tablet. The thing is, it's really easy, and the fact that I can effectively search for anything with just a quick finger movement and I get all the results then instantaneously is, as I say, a very convenient thing, especially considering you can use this on pretty much anything that's currently shown on the display. So the way this works is really easy. You can see down here we have the small home button. All we need to do is hold that for 3 seconds and we get this kind of fuzzy hue over the screen. That means Circle to Search is enabled. So if I went ahead now and, I don't know, draw a circle here, then it's going to give me the information that I've currently selected, which is about the weather forecast widget. And it will give me an AI overview of that thing that I've just circled, whatever it may be, along with a whole bunch of other links and information that I may care about. So as I mentioned, this works on pretty much anything you have on screen. It will effectively detect what you've circled and then perform an internet search. So as another example, let's go ahead and open the Google Play Store, and I want to get some info about, let's just pick a random app, Star Walk 2 Pro. I've not used this app myself, so I don't know much about it. Yes, I could just click it and get the biased description from the actual maker of the app, but let's go ahead and use Circle to Search. We will select the app as it is on the screen, and we will get our AI overview telling us about the Star Walk 2 app. I can select more there, get all the information, and I get some additional links as well. So I took this photo when we took the kids down to a theme park last year, okay, and let's say, I don't know, I did a lot on that holiday because we were away for about a week or so, and I want to remember exactly where this picture was taken. So again, we can just use Circle to Search. Let's go ahead, enable the feature, select the photo, and what do you know, it tells me exactly where I was when I took this photo. We were at Chessington World of Adventures Resort. It brings up another picture of the same ride that I took a picture of, this one by another person, and it gives me all of the information that I would want. And if I continue to scroll down, I can get the contact details for the theme park, along with the website for the theme park, and all the other related Google searches for that particular place. But we can also get some more obscure references. So for example, I have this digital copy of an old 90s PC gaming magazine, and I can see this advertisement for an old game, Empire Earth 2. So let's go ahead and see if Circle to Search can give us any information about this, being a more obscure reference. And not only is it going to find the actual advertisement itself, but yet it's correctly detected that this is a magazine print. It's given us some older images of the game, along with any other information that I might need. If I select about this image here, then it will give me any relevant links, including an actual download link for this old game itself. And that's the great thing about Circle to Search. It isn't something that's like limited to any specific app. You can use it on any part of your tablet, okay? As long as you have something on the screen, if you want to know more about it, it's just a case of holding that button down for a couple of seconds and then circling whatever it is, and you can expect to get some pretty decent information about it. So folks, there we have a quick overview using the Samsung Galaxy S10 FE tablet of the Circle to Search feature. What is your favourite part of this feature? Do you use it? And if so, how? Please do share your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next video.